Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all the controls and gestures in your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5. So, I know that here you can actually customize them, and yeah, I know, but we are not focusing on how to customize them. I will show you them, the default actually values that are in and the ones that are available. So, here, as you can see, we are here having the Liberty 5 up and tab controls. Here, as you can see, we have left and right. For the left, the default one for the single press is play and pause. For the double press, it is previous song. For the triple press, it's none. So if you if you tap triple press, you'll see all the things that you can set for the triple press of the button. It can be play and pause, but it's not already said. Next song, previous song, system, voice assistant, ambient sound, just changing volume plus, volume minus, or none. Now we can go back here. If you scroll down, you'll see long press, ambient sound. So it will change between the ANC and the transparency mode with ease once you do that. If you scroll even further down, you can see call. Single press, not adjustable, of course, it's answer. Long press not adjustable, it's hang up or call, and microphone on and off. It's by default to none, but you can set it to some. Here, as you can see, we have touch controls, and we do have here some tutorial. If you tap right, you have play and pause, next song, the difference. Here they have the same, and the same. So the only difference between left and right is next over here in the double press. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.